Hey guys, this is Stephanie and welcome back to another tutorial with me. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how to select, update, and delete from our table. So let's begin. So in order to select from our table, the first thing we'll do is I'm going to make a variable. I'm going to name this SQL and we're going to say select email from the table me. So I said select the email from the table me. Now we're going to say SQLQ, another variable, and I'm going to say MySQLi query connect and SQL. Now I am going to make another variable and I'm going to call this variable row equal to MySQLi num rows. So it's going to get the number of rows in the table. So in parentheses, SQLQ variable goes in there. Now we will make an if statement. And we will say if row, what do we want to do? Well, we're going to make a while loop. And we're going to make a variable called G equal to MySQLi fetch ASSOC, and in the parentheses we're going to put the variable SQLQ. Now, while this is true, we want to go ahead and echo email on file dot G and email, since we want to get the email information. So let's go ahead and save that. And now I'm just going to refresh. And it says email on file sammy@yahoo.com. And if we go to our localhost PHP MyAdmin, we will see that the email that's on file is sammy@yahoo.com, and that is the email that is being displayed. How easy was that? So let's go back over here and let me explain to you what I did. So I select the email from the table me, and then I got the query, I connected to the query, and then I made a variable that holds the number of rows from the table, and then we said if row, while this is true, while the variable G is equal to MySQLi fetch ASSOC, echo the email that's on file. Simple as that. So that is it for the select. Now let's go ahead and learn about update. So let's say that we wanted to change our email address to sally@yahoo.com instead of sammy@yahoo.com. How would we do that? Well, that's easy. All you have to do is make a variable, and I'm going to name this SQL. I'm just trying to stay consistent. And I will do update. Update what? Update the table me, where the email, well, actually not where the email, but update the table me and set the email equal to sally@yahoo.com. And now we would do another variable, SQLQ, equal to MySQLi query, and we will have the connect variable, and we will have SQL variable. Now we will say if SQLQ, if the table has been updated, what do we want to say? We want to say echo updated. Else, if it's not updated, the function die, and it's going to say not updated dot MySQLi connect error and the connect variable. So save that, and now we can go ahead and refresh. And it says updated. So let's go see if it has been updated. For now we have Sammy at yahoo.com. But if we go ahead and refresh this page, we will now get Sally at yahoo.com. So I hope you guys see how that happened. And that was so cool. That was really, really cool. So that is how you update the information in the table. Now the last thing we want to learn about is how to delete from the table. And we can just go ahead and erase this, and this time I'm just going to type in delete. In order to delete, it's the same thing as an update but different. So I'm just going to put delete. If we want to delete everything from where? The table me, where the ID, in this case, this is the only information we have, and in this case the ID is equal to 1. So it's going to delete where the ID is equal to 1, right? So now let's just put our semicolon, and apparently we do not need that, so I'm just erase that. And now let's just make a second variable, SQLQ, equal to MySQLi query connect variable and SQL. So if SQLQ, so if the information has been deleted from the table, what do we want to do? We want to go ahead and echo deleted. Else, not deleted. Dot MySQLi connect error. Okay, I don't know what just happened there. Connect error and the connect variable. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and save this. And now we can go ahead and refresh this page right here. So refresh, and hopefully no errors. Thank God. So it's now deleted. Now let's go check out to see if it's really deleted. So let's just click the table one more time. And it worked. So the information has been permanently deleted from the table. How cool was that, guys? How cool was that? So the information in the table has been deleted. And that is how you delete information from the table. So in this tutorial, we learned how to select from the table, insert into, well, not insert, but select from the table, update from the table, and delete from the table. So thank you guys for watching. That was such a good video, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye!